meteorologist Matt Wentz is here, and I know before the question was, will it be a white Christmas? And now the question is, will it rain or will it snow before Christmas?
Well, you know, I think it's still going to be a white Christmas for most of northwest Indiana, because on the backside of this, it is going to be bone-chilling cold. Monday, we're looking at a high only in the teens with some snow flying around. So I still think we get the white Christmas, but we've got a mess to get through beforehand. And this system really shaping up to be quite a challenging storm to forecast. And, you know, I go into the reasons why. We're really waiting to get a sample of the storm once it hits land. That's how all these computer models generate the forecast. And it just now hit the Baja California way out west. So now we're able to get the sample of exactly what's happening with the storm, and we can determine a track. Until then, it's pretty much just a guess, I'll be completely honest with you. But we're starting to get better indications now of where the storm's going to go. And it's going to come in 3 phases. The first starts tonight. You've seen those clouds thickening up. We actually have a frontal boundary settling across the area. So much chillier up towards Wisconsin, a little bit warmer. As you notice, heading outside today, headed up into the 40s across much of northwest Indiana. And it's this frontal boundary, all this moisture kind of stalling out, and it's starting to pool around our area. So notice those clouds darkening today. We're starting to get some drizzle, even some flurries, areas to the north out of them. And this will start to increase in intensity overnight tonight. We'll see generally a light rain develop across the area. And temperatures, that is really the key over the next several days. If you get below freezing, obviously you're talking snowfall. If you get temperatures near freezing, you may have rain falling on a frozen surface, so you have ice. And if we stay above freezing, we're in the clear as far as snow and ice is concerned. But we've got a lot of rainfall to deal with. And right now we are above freezing, 42 Gary, 36 Valparaiso. Notice it's kind of variable around the area. Temperature's not going to drop a whole lot tonight, so I think any precipitation that does develop stays rain tonight. But look at this cold air. This is what's causing the storm. We've got cold air digging into the plain states, bringing up all this warm, moist Gulf of Mexico air. And we hit 60 in St. Louis today. It's that contrast of air masses which is causing the storm system. And here's our first wave, all the energy way down to the south still. We've got a little wave of energy helping to create some of these showers that we'll see overnight tonight. They've got a pretty decent snow up in the Dakotas this evening, but by all means, that's nothing. So here goes. Overnight tonight, we'll start with that first. Frontal boundary will settle south through the area. I'm concerned that any showers may turn to a little bit of a mix, maybe even some freezing rain tomorrow afternoon and evening. So we'll certainly have to keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that in-car thermometer. If it gets close to 32, you may be dealing with ice tomorrow afternoon. It stays rain until then. But then our next storm, this is a low that heads on off to the east. Next one forms Saturday night. So we've got a little break. And this is the one that's, depending on the track, either going to bring us a lot of snow or a lot of rain. And all the computer models now bringing us pretty much rain across the region until late Saturday night and Sunday when the back edge swings through. So why don't we just get a timeline on this? We'll show you some pretty pictures. Here we go. All right, here's tonight. Cold front settling through the area and then turns into a warm front. So it'll be warm down to the south, areas of rain and drizzle. And then this thing will stall out. We'll see some rain around tomorrow, maybe changing to a mix, maybe some freezing rain later tomorrow. But then we have a little lull Friday night on into Saturday morning until this whole area of moisture, it is really bringing up copious amounts of moisture, begins to spread northward. And that's where the question is right now. Thinking some very heavy rain across the area, certainly something we're going to have to keep an eye on, and then the bottom falls out after that, and we turn to some snowfall later. This will be pretty much a forecast by forecast change here as we continue to watch these computer models, but I'm still thinking we may get some snow out of this area. We'll keep an eye on it. All right, rain and drizzle tonight, maybe some wintry mix north and west of the city, and then rain and drizzle likely tomorrow as well. Wintry mix maybe later in the day. We'll keep an eye on that. And then the heavy rain starts Saturday night, changes to snow on Sunday, maybe an inch or two, and then Monday we bring in a little lake effect. And there you go. Did you take notes on this forecast, Sarah? I mean, I just got confused putting in the icons whether it was going to be rain or snow.
I'm glad you said that because I was just thinking rain, snow, rain, snow. My brain is just going a mess. That's what it's going to be.
Yeah, exactly. I don't think any real decent snow until Sunday, and at that it looks like a couple inches right now.
All right, we'll be watching.
Yep.